i35equipment.com. This is Komatsu PC160 LC hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, hire some local ones to come to you if you like. We're open by appointment only, and it's shown by appointment only, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we send equipment all over the country, so get it shipped to you shouldn't be too big an issue. Fill out the form on our website or call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with the best final rate that comes to us. As always, we'll welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or pick it up for yourself if you're well equipped. This machine is legal with. Really nice feature to have if you're moving your machine around all the time. It does include the manual thumb, factory weld-on side guards, full cab. Runs and operates really well. It is a local consignment. If you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, fill out the form on our website or call to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We help get your machinery sold. Let him climb out of the operator station while we take a look around, then we'll hop up in there and check it out on the interior. This bucket does have 5 teeth and cutting wings. It is a solid thumb with 4 tines or fingers on the end. They're serrated for better grabbing. Be fantastic for sorting scrap or picking trees out of the ground with. We're trying to clear some land. July 24th of this year. Here's your thumb bracket and pin. They had it off because they're using it to dig with, and they wanted to be able to fold that thumb up against the stick for unhindered digging. Switchable control patterns right there. I'm going to zoom out to the fisheye lens and may distort a little bit, but give you a good real view of the real look of the interior here. It does have the factory Komatsu seat. See any errors or warning lights? No issues showing. There is an operation and maintenance manual behind the seat there. Always nice to have. Do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Hope it was beneficial to you. And always you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35.com. You have a great day.